Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we're unboxing and taking a look at the Dark Light Oracle. This is by Alexandra V. Bach and Carole-Ann Eschenazi. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. I do apologize if I did not. This is published by US Game Systems and retails for $22.95. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck if you would like to. So, thank you, first of all, to US Games for sending this deck our way. I really appreciate it. I still can't believe you even know I exist. So thank you so much. I'm really excited to look into this. So let's do just that. The path to light lies through the darkest shadows. All of us are made of both shadows and light. Sometimes we are pulled toward the heavens, sometimes toward the abyss. Dark Light Oracle helps us find treasures among the miraculous mix of joys and tears, hopes and fears, enthusiasm and melancholy that enriches our soul. It explores the place where suffering is sublimated, darkness is illuminated, and shadows ultimately lead to an enlightened path. The 40 guides beckon you to the crossroads of past and present experiences with messages of healing and lessons of growth. Includes 40 cards and a 76-page guidebook. All right, let's get her open. This is great packaging. I love that there is, no excess to that before we get into the cards, which, I'm excited. Let's just take a quick peek at the guidebook. All right, 2 French artists who made a perfect team. I love that. All right, this oracle places itself at a crossroads of worlds, subtly mixing past and present experiences, real and imaginary realms, and also blending the worlds of light and darkness, standing at the intersection where fantasy, reverie, romanticism, and the occult meet. This deck will unveil all the answers you may need in your everyday life. In this guidebook, you will find for each card that you pull the main title of the card, the personal, divinatory, and spiritual message from the card, and keywords associated with the card, an affirmation that sums up the message for you to slowly say out loud to instill it deeply into your subconscious. Oh, I love that there's affirmations. Okay, so let's get into it. I would say there's a slight gloss on this. There's not like a huge glossy factor, but oh my gosh, I'm already loving the art style. So there's the back. Let's take a peek at the cardstock. Yeah, it is your US Game System cardstock. I really do enjoy their cardstock a lot. It's flexible, but just thin enough to make it flexible. It's not super thick, but it's not paper thin. I really do enjoy shuffling their cardstock. All right. Oh my gosh. It is beautiful. We have a number, the title, and then a little bit about the card. Ooh. Beautiful. Ooh, look at that. The detail. Stunning. The little pumpkins. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh. I love how they are doing the landscapes here. It is like you're stepping into a high fantasy novel. Stunning. Ooh. Like, this particular image reminds me of Snow White for some reason. Maybe it's the black hair and the red lips, the blackish blue hair. I don't know, like a raven. Listen, I'm here for it. Oh, we have landscape too. This is definitely dark fantasy vibes. Oh, love it. Oh, is it that scary? Look at the cat. Amazing. I'm here for this. Oh my gosh. This also reminds me too of like young adult covers, young adult book covers, I should say. And I don't care how old I am, I will always read a young adult fantasy book because they're so much fun and the stories are so much fun and they're quick reads usually. Like if this was a novel's cover, I would buy it in an instant. Stunning. Oh, in the dark of the night. Okay, now I have Anastasia, that song stuck in my head. I'm not mad at that. Oof. Yeah, that is definitely painful. Oh, wow. I love that the face is a little blurry. Oh, she's a snake. I'm just, honestly, I don't have the words for how beautiful this art is. Oh my gosh. Gothic fantasy vibes all day. Oh, I love it. I'm giving you close-ups too because there's just so much detail in this card. In each card, I should say. I'm very impressed. I'm honestly blown away. I think this would be fantastic for shadow work, for healing, express or die. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Look at all the cherry blossoms. Stunning. Oh. Look at her skeleton. Ooh, I love this so much. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh, wow. Holy Gate. It does remind me of the, what is it? I can't think of the name of the gate in Lord of the Rings where they're the men and they're like super gigantic giant statues that are the gate of the realm. I'm such a horrible Lord of the Rings fan for not remembering the name of that. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Yeah, not an issue, none whatsoever. Can I get a card to read, please? All right. I'm going to read for True Love. Your love is here to stay. Aww. All right, so no table of contents. So we're just going to go. Oh, there's spreads. We'll read after this. We'll show the spreads. All right. Your love is here to stay. Message. I am the Queen of Hearts, and I've come to tell you about a once-in-a-lifetime love here. Maybe you're already with someone, or maybe you've just met someone, or maybe you're still waiting to find the one. Whatever the case may be, this will not be some insignificant affair. The love to expect is true and eternal love. Feelings will be strong and faithful. Happiness will take you in its arms. But this true love also comes with duties. Open your heart. Be kind and loyal. Be the best person you can be, and never let this love wither away. So keywords: romance, true feelings, once in a lifetime love, happy and nourishing relationship, trust and happiness. Then the affirmation: I open my heart to welcome true love. I am ready now for this once in a lifetime love. And I thank the universe for offering me such a gift. I love that. All right, so then we have how to use this deck, some spreads, simple spreads, 12 card this year spread, dark light spread. Then that looks like that's it. Okay, so final thoughts. I think this deck is stunning. It is super beautiful. I think there is versatility in this. I think this is fantastic for, general divination work or inner work, especially shadow work. I think it's fantastic to pull a card a day and kind of take that energy with you, especially with the included affirmations. That's fantastic. The price point is fantastic. The card stock and the quality of everything is fantastic. I will have one critique, and that is generally in all of divination, but a lot of the more fantasy type decks, I don't see a lot of different diversity of body types or skin colors, that sort of a thing. This deck does have diversity, yes, but there can always be more, especially when it comes to this kind of fantasy art style. I would love to see more representation in here because there's not like a set in stone depiction of that. So I think it would be a fantastic idea to, include more of that because everybody loves a great fantasy. So it's always important to see yourself represented in a deck or see people you know represented in a deck. So I'm excited to start using it. I think that it's definitely got something for everyone in here. And now I throw it over to you. What do you think about this? Is this something that you're excited about? What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? Are you going to get this for spooky season, or is this a hard pass for you? Please let me know all your thoughts down in the comments section below. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. I really appreciate that. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.